Hang on, go.
Hi, I'm Mike with Field Grill. I've just got my new wash station and I want to show you how to set it up. The water reservoir goes in the big bracket on the back. And we put in our wash station sink, which has the tube from the hole on top. We'll line those up so that they're on the same side, and we'll put the tube through the drainage tube on the cooler. Press it down into place. Well, I've got my hand on the tube. I think I can feel it. Well, stick it into the drainage tube. Now it's time for this piece, and it's the lid bracket that holds the lid up. There's an offset end on the top and an L shape on the bottom. We'll take the offset end and we'll put it through the lid in that hole up to the first bend, and then put it down into this hole in the side of the cooler, like that. Now we've got a good stiff rigid lid and good structure to our wash station. I'm going to put my strainer up here out of the way and put my tubs in. Fit very snugly, so you will have to do a little wiggling and pressing to get them in there into place. And it's worth it once you do. You have a good, strong, very sturdy foundation. Then we're ready to go. I'll turn this tube down to drain into my drainage, and I'll turn my faucet down towards my sink. Next, we'll put our water in our wash station. We'll start with these 3 tubs here and add hot water into them. First one is for soap. Second one is for our sterilization chemicals. The third one is for clear water rinse. And the fourth one is to wash our hands. Once these tubs are full, it'll help hold the cooler down while you put water in here. And we'll fill warm water in here up to about 1 gallon. Leave the top of your lid open so that as the water runs out through your faucet, air can travel into the top. This keeps a smooth flow without bubbles or cavitation. To reverse, or to disassemble, simply take your tubs out and drain them into the sink, or you can drain them right into your receptacle. To remove the drainage tube, again, reach in and hold the other tube on the sink from the back. Well, you just pop it off of there. Now to remove the lid bracket, you might have to bend it a little bit to pop it out. Like that. Let me show you that once again. To install, push the L-shaped piece into the cooler. To remove, simply bend a little bit to get them out. Now I like to store my washing sink with the tube up on that side. I'll tip this up out of the way. Then I can put my other tubs in this way. That leaves lots of room over here for other things we might want to bring with us. Whatever the case, before you close up and put your wash station away for good, please make sure everything is clean and dry on the inside. We don't want any mold next time we open it up. So make sure everything's nice and dry. Thank you for your new wash station.